Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices, update iPhone and the Mercedes infotainment. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the phone and unlock it so prompts appear. Plug the original Lightning cable into your iPhone for a wired connection, or keep the phone ready for wireless pairing if your E-Class supports it. Start the car and keep it in park. This lets the system accept new device pairings safely. Now open the Mercedes menu to begin the actual pairing process and choose Phone or Apple CarPlay. You now perform the detailed pairing. On the car screen, choose Bluetooth, then search and select your iPhone name. The system shows a PIN. Make sure the numbers match on both displays, then confirm on phone and car. The infotainment will request access to contacts and messages. Accept these so CarPlay has full functionality. If you plan to use wireless CarPlay, go to iPhone Settings, General CarPlay, and enable Allow CarPlay while locked so the connection stays active without manual unlock. You complete the setup by launching the CarPlay icon on the Mercedes screen and testing core apps, Maps navigation, phone calls, music playback, and Siri voice control. If something fails, try simple fixes. Unplug and replug the cable, reboot the iPhone, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and test with an Apple-certified cable. If wireless pairing drops, move phone closer or disable other Bluetooth devices. As a last resort, reset the car's network settings from the system menu, then repeat pairing steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.